Human eye, the most important, most delicate, most sensitive part of human body. It is the most sensitive organ of our body. So in this class, we will be discussing about the various important functions of our eye and the functions and their positions. This is the structure of human eye. The outermost part of human eye is called sclera. It is the most protective outermost layering of the human eye. This is also known as the white part. The white part that we see in our eye is known as sclera. Behind the sclera, there is a part called cornea. It is a crystalline lens. So, the cornea, the crystalline lens is transparent and it allows light to refract through it. So, it allows light to pass through it and light enters from this part to the eye. Behind cornea, there is a part known as iris. Iris is the important part and this is a muscular tissue behind your cornea and it regulates your exposure. This is also known as the color of eye. You see, we always say that the color of eye is brown, black or blue. So iris, there is nothing, that's the iris, that is the color of the eye. In the iris, there is a small opening which is known as pupil. So pupil is just like a shutter of iris, like the shutter of a camera. What it does, pupil is a small opening that controls the amount of light entering the eye. It just adjusts the light what is entering in our eye. Now, whatever be the light is entering through the pupil, then it goes to the next part. It is known as the converging lens. The converging lens converges all the light rays coming through the pupil and it is controlled by the ciliary muscles. Now, the light now enters the light sensitive layer, that is our retina, where our images are formed. The images are controlled by two nerve cells, rods and cones. Rods are light sensitive to dim light and cones are sensitive to bright light. And after this, these images are converted into electrical signals and then they are passed to optic nerves and to the optic nerve they are passed to human brain, which forms the image of any object.